So Molly's recording me in the car. Look at her. So I'm just gonna get a clip of her because I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But I want to build a new workshop this year, and so I want to get a new workshop built this year. That's another thing I started doing. My mate Tierney, my best mate, his dad's City. He's an amazing guy. He's helped me out more times than I can remember. And his stepmum have an old workshop shed unit garden thing here. This is about 22 foot long, give or take a little bit. I'm assuming roughly about that. 10 to 12 feet wide, probably 8 foot high. I'm going to be buying this and taking it all apart, reusing what I can. Obviously this is going to be the front for me. Currently this is the end. This is going to be the front for me, and put this into the garden and redo it all and use this as a canvas for what I want to do with it and how I want it to look. So I'm just going to give it a few little clips walking around now, and we'll get into it. Plenty of space. So as you can see, inside is real deep. It's more space inside than I thought it was going to be. Me and T built him a gym last February, March time, when the turbo van blew up, so give us something to do. It's not as long as that, but it seems as spacious as that. So I'm really looking forward to it, and it's at a great price. So stay tuned and let's just see how this little project goes. So as you've just seen from the time lapse, workshop's all taken down. Went back today with my mate Tierney. Molly obviously come with me, Evie come with us for the day. My mate Tierney's little boy Roman was going to be there, his girlfriend, his mum, stepmum and dad and all that. So we all kind of made a day of it and had a good laugh in the garden as well as taking the workshop down, so it's quite good. But like I said, as you can see from the time lapse, workshop's all down. I've borrowed Tierney's truck because he had to leave early, so I've brought the truck home with his, with my workshop. Now my workshop in his truck. And yeah, I'm now just back home, so I'm gonna start unloading now. It's about 5 o'clock, still got a bit of daylight, 4:30, 5 maybe. Anyway, gonna start unloading, and we'll come back to this when it comes to starting the workshop, I suppose, the base for it, and eventually putting it all back up. So if you ever need anything, any moving jobs, maybe removals, picking stuff up, anything, check out Tierney at last minute moves, and I'll put a little ad in right now because he's my best mate. So I've got to support his cause. Nice one.